How to download free ringtones on Android. So let's get started. To download free ringtones on Android, there is a legal and free way. Firstly is the Google Pixel. Simply launch the Google Pixel. In the search bar, type free ringtones or similar keywords like ringtone maker or phone ringtones, and there you will get to see the options available. Now browse through various ringtone categories, and many apps allow you to preview and select ringtones. Now once you have found a ringtone, you simply tap the download button or simply tap on the select button option available there. After the download, you will typically be given an option to set the ringtone as a default or for specific contacts. Simply do that by going to the settings on your Android and tap on the phone ringtone my sounds and tap on the plus icon, and it will show the available music tracks on your phone, and the track you just downloaded will also be shown there. Now simply tap on it and set it as a ringtone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.